welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we're going to cook beer butter garlic crab legs. So for this recipe you will need crab legs, which I have some snow crab legs here, minced garlic, a can of beer, parsley flakes, butter, which is about 1.5 sticks to 2 sticks, depending on how many crab legs you have. And I have a half a lemon just for the zest. Let's get started. To get started, I have just a little water in my pan, as you can see, just a little. And I'm going to turn my eye on 6, and I'm gonna pour my beer over in this. And I'm going to place my crab legs in the pan. Try to lay them kind of flat. Okay. So I'm just going to allow these to come to a good hard boil. And I want to place, you want to place the top on them so that it comes to a hard boil. And for your crab legs, that's it. So let's move on to making our garlic sauce. Now to make the butter garlic sauce, I have 1.5 sticks of butter in my pan, as you can see. And I'm going to place my eye on 6 because I want to melt the butter. So I'm going to allow the butter to melt completely before I add any of the ingredients in there. Our butter is melting down. Just give it a little stir. So now you want to add your minced garlic, which I have 3 cloves here. About a tablespoon of, you can use fresh parsley or you can use dry parsley flakes, so you want about a tablespoon. And you want to stir that up really good. And I have a lemon here just for a little zest, so squeeze a little lemon in it. A little stir. And that's it. Just allow this to like simmer on low. So I'm going to put my oven on low, and I'm just going to let this simmer until my crab legs come to a hard boil. So our crab legs have been boiling on 6 on high. So that's what you want. You want them to boil for about, I say 10 to 15 minutes. So we're just gonna cover them up and allow them to finish boiling. And something that I forgot to add in our butter garlic sauce is Old Bay season. So I did add 1 tablespoon of Old Bay season to our butter garlic sauce. So we're just gonna allow our crab legs to finish boiling. So our crab legs have boiled for 15 minutes and I drained the water off. Now all I'm going to do is add our butter garlic sauce to them. Like that. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this beer butter garlic crab legs. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe below, like and comment. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.